Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope all of you are doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learning Hub. Today we are going to learn the difference between nothing or anything. We use nothing with positive sense and anything with negative or not. Here we see example. I am bored. I don't have anything to do. Here it comes don't. It is negative. So far we use here anything. Come on the next example. I am hungry but I have nothing to eat. Here it comes have. Have is used for positive sense. So far we use here nothing. I don't know anything about this. Here it comes don't. Don't is for negative. So far we use here anything. I know anything. I know nothing about this. No is used for positive. So far we use here nothing. It's dark. I can't see anything. Can't it used for negative. So far we use here anything. Hope you get it, guys. Thank you so much.